Good morning to my lovely students. Today I am going to teach you English Grammar Class 1 Chapter 5 Numbers Singular Plural. So let's start our Chapter 5 Numbers. Now students, take out your grammar textbook and open the page number 25. Our Chapter 5 is Numbers Singular Plural. So let's start our new chapter. Now the singular, what is the meaning of singular? Singular means one and plural means more than one. When we are talking about one thing, we use singular, and when we are talking about more than one thing, we use plural. So these two difference you have to remember, students. Now let's see. Look at the pictures and read the words below. So here the picture is given and the explanation is given. So let's see. Apple. Here it is a one apple. So here it is written APPLE, apple. Here more than one apple. So how many apples are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. So here we have add S. Okay, so apple, apples. APPLES, apple. So this one apple is singular and apples is plural. Now let's see the next example. What is this? This is a tree. How many tree it is? One. So here it is written tree. TREE, tree. So how many trees are here? 2 trees. So what is written here? Trees. Here we put S. So in plural we have to put S. So 2 trees. Now see the third picture, boy. What is this? This is the picture of boy. BOY, boy. Here is the one boy. So here we have written boy. And in the next picture we have written boys. BOYS, boys. So how many boys are here? 3 boys. So here we put S. So it is a plural. The boy is singular and the boys are plural. Okay, so it's a plural. The girl. How many girls are here? Only one. So here we have written girl, and here the 3 girls are here. So here we put S. So that is the girls. How to read? Girl, girls. So now these are the example of singular and these are the example of plural. So let's read. Apple, apples. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. So like this, students, we have to write singular into plural. Now let's read the note here. As I said before, singular means only one. Singular means only one. And plural means more than one. What is the meaning of plural? More than one. So these are the example of singular and these are the example of plural. So an apple is singular and apples is plural, as I said. Now we add S. What we have add here? S. Okay. 2 naming words. These all are naming words. When they are more than one. When they are more than one, when the naming words are more than one, we have to put S. Okay. So these things you have to remember, students, while doing the exercise. So now let's turn the page. Page number 26. Exercise 1. Read each word and change it into plural by adding S. So students, here you have given the singular words and you have to change into plurals. If there are more than one, we have to put S at the word, at the end of the word. So here the pair is given, PEAR, pair. So how many pairs are here? 1, 2, 3. So what we have to write here? We have to put here S. So pair, pairs. So here we write S here, pair, pairs. This one is the one ball. So here written ball. So how many balls are here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we add S. Ball, balls. Then frog, F-R-O-G, frog. 3 frogs are here, so we add S here. Frog, frogs. Plate, plates. 1 plate, and here 3 plates, so we change from singular to plural. Plate, plates. Book, books. Cheek, cheeks. Here the 1 cheek and here the 3 cheeks. So here we return cheeks. Book, books, cheek, cheeks, car, cars. So here the 1 car and here the 2 cars. So we change from singular to plural. So these are the singular words and these are the plural. So let's read again. Pear, pears. Ball, balls. Frog, frogs. Plate, plates. Book, books. Cheek, cheeks. Car, cars. So students, like this you have to add S at the end, and in exam this question will also come and you have to write the plural form of these words, like the ball. If it is given ball, you have to write balls. Frog, then you have to write frogs. So the question will be changed from singular to plural. इस तरह से आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, so this thing you have to remember. Now one more thing here it is given. Now look here. Look at the pictures and read the given words. Here the pictures are given and the words are given. So let's read first one. Here the 1 glass. So here it is written a glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. So how many glass are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this we can say that glass, glasses, glass, glasses. Here we put es at the end because the last 2 letters are double s. When the last 2 letters in the noun are double s, we have to add es. So here we put es. Now next one, box, B-O-X, box. Here 2 boxes are there. So here we return boxes. So here also we put es. So last letter is X. When the last letter is X, we have to put ES. Okay. The third one, torch. T-O-R-C-H, torch. Here the 1 torch and here the 3 torches. So here we also put ES. So one example, when the last 2 letter in the word are CH, we have to put ES. So one thing you have remembered, students, is that let's see the note. Page number 27. Now the note is here. You have to remember this thing. We add es to naming words that end in s, double s, x, sh, ch or o when they are more than 1. So these things you have to underline, students. So you have to remember these things. When these letters, naming words that end with these letters, you have to put es. This thing you have to remember. So remember this thing, and then after we will do the exercise number 2. Okay students, now let's do the exercise number 2. Look at the pictures given under 1. Write what you see in each picture. Then add s or es to make it plural. One has been done for you. Students, here the picture is given and here the more than 1 picture is also given. So here we have to write the first spelling of this picture. Then we have to change from singular to plural. So look here, here the first picture is about bus. So here the spelling of bus is written. So how many bus are here? 2. 1 and 2. So here we have put es. So bus, buses. Okay. So like that we have to change these words into singular to plural. So let's do the next one. What is this? This is a house. So we have to write the spelling of house here. So let's write the spelling of house, H-O-U-S-E, house. So how many houses are here? 3. So here we will write houses, H-O-U-S-E-S, houses, house, houses. This one is the brush. So what we have to write here? Brush, spelling of brush, brush, brush. So how four brushes, four brush are here, so we have to write four brushes, brushes, brushes. So here we put es at the end. Why we put es? Because the word end with sh, so that's why we have put es. This thing you have to remember. Now this, what is this? This is the tomato. So write the spelling of tomato first, tomato, tomato. So the word end with o. Look here, when the word end with o, we have to put es. So here the four tomatoes are here. So write the spelling of tomato here, tomatoes, tomatoes. So when we change singular to plural, we have to add es. Why? When the word end with o. Okay, students. Now next one, this one is watch. So write the spelling of watch first, watch, watch. So when we change from singular to plural, the ch word is here. Okay, so when the word end with ch, we change into plural like this, watches, watch, watches. Now the next one is, this is the mango. So we write the spelling of mango, then mango spelling end with o, so we turn into plural like this, mangoes. So here we put es, mango, mangoes. Now what is this? This is the fox. So the fox spelling end with x, so here also we put es, fox, foxes. So that is the plural of foxes. Now this one is the frog. So write the spelling of frog first. So one frog, so we have written frog. So here we put only s, frocks, frogs. Okay. So students, when we change from singular to plural, we have to remember these things, that the word end with sh, o, x, we have to put es, and in most common words we have to add only s. So this is very simple from singular to plural, but you have to remember these things so you may not make any mistake. Okay, students. So here our exercise number 2 finish here. So students, here our chapter finish here, and you have to learn this chapter at home. It's a very small chapter and easy chapter. You will read at home again and again and learn by heart. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.